Today on Mini Guy, I'm going to show you how to change the battery in your Mini. Let's get started. Okay, so there's a few things that we need. First of all, a socket set and a screwdriver. So here's one I prepared earlier. So just so we know what we've got our socket set here with all our necessaries. So we have got an 8mm and a 10mm socket. We got the screwdriver just to make life a little bit easier. We've got a flat-headed screwdriver as well. So without further ado, let's get started and get this stuff off. So we are going to, oh, it is cold. So cold I can't even feel my fingers. Okay, so guys, just make sure that when you're taking off your nuts and your bolts, you're putting them somewhere safe. Oh, this one's got... This one seems to have been put with something different. Strange. Okay, so we put it in there. Let's put that there. Okay, so this section here just peels off, alright guys? So that will just come off nice and easy, and then we'll tuck that over there in the corner. Okay, so we'll tuck that up nice and neatly there. Now the reason we've got the flat-headed screwdriver is for these bits here up the top. Okay, so all we're going to do is we're just going to remove them as well. Okay, and then we've got the 10mm for these little puppies here. So we'll just undo these as well. So we'll pop that down. Pop that one now. Okay, and there is one more little one here. Okay, so we'll just pop that one around there. Okay, so this should all pop off now. Oh, not to mention our clip. Little clip there. Okay, that just holds that bit together there. A little pull. And then this bit here comes off, okay? So again, we'll keep this safe. Just gonna pop that down on the floor out the way. Okay, now we can get to this bit here. Just give it a jiggle and a pull. And then she comes off as well, okay? So now we've got those two bits off. So now we've identified where the battery is, it's right there, okay? This is where the fun bit starts. Because this battery doesn't come out through the top. It comes out through the side. So then you've got to go into these bits here. So to make life easy, we will go. Okay, so just put an adapter on there. Okay, so we've gone for three. We've got this one here, okay, this one here, this one here, okay. These are the ones we're taking off so far, okay. And then what we're going to do is we're also going to take this off, release this from here. We're going to unclip this bit here, and we're going to pull this off of here. So let's carry on. Okay, so this bit here, just literally with a bit of a pull, she'll just pop off. There she goes. Okay, try not to knock your socket set all in there. This bit here as well will just pop off as well. Let's give that a tug. So that'll just pop off. No, right, so underneath, there's a clip underneath. Pull it towards. Let's get the flathead screwdriver in there. And it really helps that it's freezing cold as well. There we go, right. There we go, right, so she's off as well. So what I see, these, when I said the flat-headed screwdriver, so this clip here pushes in and pulls out, okay? So what you want to do is you want to just leverage that up, just slightly, because that's what that'll do underneath, okay? So just pull that to one side there as well. Okay. There's the flat-headed screwdriver in here. Right, so far we've undone all of these bits here. So this now should just release itself off. Again with a bit of a pull there and a jiggery pokery. She should just pop out. Okay, so now we've got the whole air box and everything else that comes with it. Sit that to one side as well. So now what we have inside here is a few more bits and pieces that we need to deal with. Okay guys, so we've got this bit here that needs to come off, and that's attached down here with this bolt here. Okay, slightly bigger bolt down the bottom. Okay, so what we need to get with there, I forgot about that little puppy, so let's go for 13. There we go. So what we'll do is we'll just so that's a nice size bolt in there. Okay, so that bolt's out. Pop that one in there. Okay. So now what we have this bit here released. Okay. Oh no, there is a bolt under here actually. Totally forgot about that one. So let's give. Someone has been here before by the looks of things, because this shouldn't be that. It should be something completely different. But watch me go. There we go. So there's the other one. Okay, it's just tucked up inside here. So we'll get this one out as well. Pop that one out of there as well. Okay, so now this becomes loose and out she comes. So we've got this bit here, sit down there. So now all we have to do is undo the terminals. So I don't need to change this battery. This is merely just for showing you how to access the battery. You've got one down here as well that you undo. This one here. And there you can access the battery quite nicely, pull her out and she'll slide in and slide out. Okay, so that's how to do it. You do need to undo this one here. You do need to undo this one here to remove the terminals. Okay, you need to unplug that if you want to, but ultimately if you undo this one, this should come up, that should come up as well, and then all you do is you just slide her out. This bit has to be disconnected as well, okay, and then plugged into the new battery once you get the new battery. So that is how to get to the battery and how to change it. I'm gonna just go back to putting everything back together again, just so you can all see how I put it all back together. I'm not gonna talk through it, so we'll just play some nice music, all right? So let's get cracking.
Damn. Yeah. 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 Yeah.
Okay, so guys, one thing I'd like to add is when you're putting this section back, okay, this bit back, now, I don't know if you can get in here, but you see this bit here, so it slides underneath this bit, so you have to make sure that when you're doing it, that bit slides underneath there, okay, because otherwise you'll end up finding you're doing this. So slide it underneath, and then she'll fit in nicely, alright? Just a little one there for you. Okay, so we're nearly done. Last bit is this one here. So this is your water, where the water comes out and goes through here, trough if you like. So all we'll do is we'll just pop this inside here. That's it, and that's the bit that makes it a little bit difficult, is that little water trough, making sure that bit finds its way home. But once that's done, it's nice and simple. Just gonna turn your screws in. Pop these. Bad times, lost one. Right, okie dokie. Okay, so I got this bit back. Okay. Clip. Over the top there. And that's it. So all we're going to do is we're just going to put our piece of plastic back round, fold it underneath there. Lovely, lovely, lovely job. Remove our socket set. Now, and there you go guys, that's how to get to the battery. If you need to change it, you can get to it. Yes, you do have to take quite a bit out, but in all honesty, as you've seen, it's not that hard when you're just getting on with the job. So the task at hand is a nice and easy one. Just focus on, you know, getting all those bits off, and it'll make your life so much easier. Now we have got an announcement to make, which I'm going to do in a little while upstairs. I'll come back to you. Okay, so last year, sounds like a long time ago, but it wasn't. Last year we done a review on phone holders. Now we did give a giveaway. So there was a bit of a spoiler alert because the person that won did actually give us a review because he popped in for some stripes as well. So the review on the phone holders, the winner of our mini holder was Milton. So well done to Milton. Thank you for subscribing and keeping an eye on our videos. Hoping you like the stripes on your car. But yeah, keep an eye on us everyone, because we may well be giving another giveaway at one point this year. We're not going to keep doing it, but if we need to buy something in able to review it or show you, then we may well be giving it away. So keep a check, keep subscribing, keep watching. Sorry we haven't been around for a little while, but we'll be making a conscious effort to be on here a little bit more often with some reviews or some possible how-tos on some more mini stuff. So if you have got anything that you want to know or need to know, please do leave a comment below and we'll get through to doing a video as soon as we can. Thanks very much. Take care. See you later. Bye-bye. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you liked it. If you did, please give us a thumbs up and like the video. Any questions you have, please leave a comment. And if you do like what you see and you're liking our videos, please subscribe. Once again, thanks from me and thanks for watching. See you soon.